Hi, I'm Nicole, and I've received over $2,500 cash back using Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. Today we're going to be talking about Rakuten on the mobile app because a lot of people have asked me, how does it work if you're just on your phone and not on your computer? Well, it's super easy, and I'm going to take you through that. Before we get started though, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now while you're thinking about it. And if you give this video a like, I'd really appreciate it because it helps the YouTube know that people are enjoying my content and it pushes it out to a larger audience, which is awesome and really helps my channel growth. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, so in case you're totally new to Rakuten Ebates, the way it works is if you're shopping online, whether you're on your phone or your computer, if you start at the Rakuten website or use their little Chrome button that you can install and then it'll pop up automatically for you if you can make cash back somewhere that you happen to be anyway. It's a great little reminder in case you're shopping and forgot. Anyway, what happens is you shop as normal. You use your regular, whatever credit card you like, your Visa, or if you're on Macy's, you use your Macy's card, whatever, and you will get a percentage cash back added to kind of like a little pot. That's your cash back bonus. And then every 3 months, quarterly, they send you your big fat check. I've done a really deep video about this that you could find. I'll put the link down below. There's also a way to link your card. So if you're shopping in store, not online, there's not as many stores. There's over 2,500 stores that do it online. There are far less in store, but you can get some cash back in store, and it's a lot of the big stores like Macy's. So you want to make sure to set yourself up for that also. So you're always getting cash back whenever you can. But let's say a new store gets added, or you're in store somewhere that you normally don't shop. You can check it out on your app and add it on. And I'll show you how to do all that in this video. One thing you should know, when you sign up for Rakuten, you'll get a code that you can share with people. So if they want to sign up for Rakuten, they'll get $10 extra on their first purchase over $25. And you'll get some money into your cashback bonus too. So I have my code down below if you'd like to use that. And if you don't want to use mine, just find somebody else's to use. Ask your friends if somebody has one because you want your extra $10 after you make your first purchase of $25 or more. So let's jump onto my phone and look at what the app looks like and how it works. Here we are at the Rakuten app. You can access just about anything having to do with your account here. You'll see your favorites, recently visited stores. Let's pop over into my account. I can check out what I've got coming for cash back. You can see things that are pending and things that you are for sure receiving. So the numbers in blue, the Cafe Press, the Harry's Razor, you can see, I made $6.30 from the Chacos and $13.54 from the other Chacos order. My daughter likes Chacos and wants them for Christmas. Macy's. So you can see here that I'm getting $3.50 cash back on an order of $34.99. So that was 10% cash back. On my Chacos order, it was more than 10% cash back because you can see the order amount was $90.28 and I'm getting $13.54. We can look back here at my big fat check history and see how much I've gotten back over the years since I started in October of 2015. Gosh, I wish I'd started sooner. Now let's check out how to shop. Let's say we want to go to Lululemon. Oh, by the way, these percentages do fluctuate. It's only 2% right now, but a while back on, I think, Black Friday, Cyber Monday for that week, it was like 10 or 8%, I believe. I think it was 8%. So here, let's just pretend we're going to buy something. Let's pretend we're going to buy these pants. We'll just pick a color. We'll pick a size. Add it to the bag. And then we check out as usual. I would just finish this transaction and this would show up in my pending for cash back. So let's try to go to Lowe's. See what comes up. Okay, then they start to offer you hardware type of stores. Lowe's, Sears, maybe because they do carry tools and washers and dryers and appliances and things like that, just like Lowe's does. Ace Hardware. So, they'll give you some different options. And I don't see Home Depot. No, that's strange. Home Depot had 1% the other day. Maybe they're doing 0 right now. So that's probably why they're not showing up. Oh, Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon because everyone wants to know about Amazon. So Amazon devices are 8%, fashion, private brands, so a whole bunch of Amazon branded things. Okay, let's try to get something else. So furniture is 4%, home is 4%, home improvement. And, so you can just kind of go down this list and see what's available. But you don't get anything on arts and crafts or Audible or automotive and industrial. So they would just hit shop in Safari, not in their app. And then it would work. You can also shop by category or by item. Now let's search for something in particular. I'm going to put in a Dyson hairdryer. All right, so you can see that Sephora pops up, Ulta pops up, Neiman Marcus pops up, so you could go and see who has the best amount of cash back on that particular item. Super handy. Now let's look at the in-store cash back. When you click there, you can link these stores to your credit cards, not your store cards. So you couldn't link to your Macy's card, but if you link your Visa or MasterCard or American Express, I think those are the ones that they take. So you can see the black ones here are linked, right? So if I went in store, say to Bed Bath & Beyond, paid with my credit card that I've linked to Bed Bath & Beyond, I will get 3% of my purchase towards my cashback account here at Rakuten, even if I use coupons or whatever there, right? So if I want to link, it's super easy. I would just hit the button for Crate and Barrel. I'm surprised I have not linked there. I hit the button. It's linking my credit cards that I have inputted. And I'm done. And now I'm all set. So you can see there's a huge variety of stores. There are over 2,500 that are online. There aren't that many for in-store, but hey, gotta like it. I love that I get it at PetSmart because, gosh, my dog's food is expensive. Looking at this, it says that you can link most American Express cards, MasterCard credit and debit cards, and Visa credit and debit cards to your Rakuten account. In-store cashback offers cannot currently be linked to other cards, including store cards that do not carry American Express, MasterCard, or Visa logos. So if you have one of the old-fashioned Macy's cards like I do that isn't, I chose not to get it to be a MasterCard or Visa. That would not work. However, if you did upgrade to that type of a card, or your Nordstrom card has one of those logos on it, you would be able to link those cards. I had one more tip I wanted to share with you. You need to relink your store offers after you shop. They say that linked offers are valid for one purchase only. I wondered why when I had linked, let's say, Bed Bath & Beyond, after I shopped there, it seemed like it was gone. Randomly, they were gone. So it's after you shop, you need to do it again. Linked offers are only available for use instantly, and then they go away. And they're also saying to make sure to turn on your push notifications so that you'll be alerted when you are in store and cashback deals are available wherever you are. So, I mean, that's up to you if you want to actually share your location, but that is available if you want it. All right, so that's a basic overview of the app. Now let's pop over to my computer and I'll show you how it looks on the computer too. This is the Rakuten site. So you can see recently I purchased at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm getting $3.13 back, Expedia for $23.90, and Sephora for $1.87. My lifetime cash back is $2,037, and that's over 4 years, so about $500 a year on just basically clicking on something before I shop. If you go to the All Stores area, you can, of course, search for stores. You can look alphabetically, and you can tell it's everything: maternity wear, hardware, clothing, quilting, bicycling, all kinds of stuff here. But let's say we want to shop at Macy's. Just hit that Shop Now button, and it'll pop you over to Macy's. Nothing is different at all. It's just like shopping at Macy's as you normally would. You just shop away, check out as you normally would, and whatever you spend, you'll get that percentage back added to your big fat check bonus. One thing that I would highly recommend you doing is to install this little Rakuten Chrome extension. The reason being, look at what it does. It's so cool. So you type in any store. I'm putting in Lululemon. I love Lululemon. And what it'll do automatically, see how it's blinking right up there? I didn't do anything, but then it pops up this activate 2% cash back. You didn't have to do anything. So if you forget, don't go to the website to start. You don't have to. It's wonderful. And then if you go to a website that doesn't have it, I happen to know for a fact Nordstrom doesn't. For some reason, Nordstrom Rack does, but do you see how it's just staying purple? It's not blinking at you. Nothing's popping up. Now, if I clicked on it, it'll try to offer me a few places that I've just been or things I might like that have a cash back, but Nordstrom does not have a cash back. I find this extremely helpful when I'm shopping because sometimes you just don't think about starting at the Ebates website. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, share with a friend who might enjoy it too. Thank you so much for being here. Love you guys, and it's not goodbye, but so long until next time.